And now a message from the SPLC.
We've stopped the spiders from attacking by paying them handsomely, but we can't do it without you. Help the Spider Protection Legal Center maintain this delicate balance.
At the Spider Protection Legal Center, we are dedicated to stopping giant spiders, so we pay the giant spiders so we can fight them, because if there were no giant spiders, we would have no justification for our existence, not to mention losing power over politicians, exterminators, and social media. So be sure to support our efforts in fighting giant spiders by making sure there are giant spiders.
You can call to donate or send us checks, or you can visit us on the web.
Beware the spider.
What's the matter, afraid of the little old bug?
Beware the spider is the game where you try to remove all the crawly, creepy critters from the spider's web.
Yo, I don't want to touch it.
But beware, if you touch the web, you'll wake the sleeping spider.
Just one left. What's the matter, afraid of a little old bug?
Beware the spider, the crawly, creepy critter game from Ideal. 2 batteries not included.